Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Wix Forms. This one is updated for 2026. So whether you want to collect the customers' inquiries, newsletter sign-ups, event registrations, or business leads, the Wix Forms makes it easy to create professional forms without any coding. So yeah, by the end of the tutorial, you'll be able to create a form, customize it, manage submissions, and automate the responses. Okay, so first let's talk about what Wix Forms is. So the Wix Forms is a built-in tool that lets you create fully customizable forms for your website. So you can use it to collect contact inquiries, newsletter subscriptions, job applications, code requests, event registrations, and customer feedback. Okay, so the new version of Wix Forms, it includes a redesigned form builder with more field types, multi-step forms, conditional rules, and better submission management than the older version. Okay, so first is we can use the Wix Harmony editor. Okay, so or we can also just select an existing site. Okay, so I'm just going to select the Wix Harmony. So I'm just edit this site and let's just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so you have to take notes that in creating the Wix forms, all you have to do is you have to include all of the important fields that you want to collect from your customers or from your client. Okay, so that's the main goal. You just need those important fields for this form. Okay, so again, you can also create a form completely from scratch if you want full control over the design and the questions. So it will depends of what kind of business you have and the needs for your the informations. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, so once you're here, you just have to tap on the add option at the top. That's right. Okay, and then I just have to select the contacts and the forms. So if you don't see that right here, as you can see, we don't have that kind of option, so just simply click on the elements. Okay, and then here you have these options, so you just have to go here to the form and contact. That's right. So we have create new form or add existing form. We also have here templates that we can actually use. Okay, so for example, we want to use this template. So all you have to do is to tap on it or simply drag and drop that option. Okay, so let me just add here a new section. So the form is now added here at the top. So let's just wait. Okay, so now that we have our form here, we can now customize it by tapping on the edit form to open the new form builder. Once the form is ready, you can now easily add different field types such as name, email, phone number, drop down menus, multiple choice questions, check boxes, file upload, signature, and date picker. And one of the biggest updates is that you can now create multi-step forms, making longer forms much easier for visitors to complete. Okay, so let me just fix that. Okay, so we finally have our form here. So when you want to customize this one or edit the form, just have to simply tap on it and then you have the edit form option at the top. That's right. So we just simply tap on this one and now it will open your Wix dashboard. Okay, so just wait. And then after that, you can now customize this one. So this is a section where you can edit this field. So just go to the field settings. Okay, so here you just have to change the title of this field. Okay, same goes with the rest of the fields that you can find here. So, for example, you would like to delete a specific field. For example, we're going to delete the email section. So just simply tap on it, and then you have this delete button or delete icon at the top. So you just have to simply tap on this one. That's right. And we have successfully deleted that field. Now, when you go to the general section for this one, if you would like to, add short answers, long answers, then you can choose this as well. You just simply tap on it and it will automatically add it to the very bottom of your form. Okay, so you can also change the field title. All right, and then if you would like to include required field sections, you just have to go here. For example, field description, default responses, so something like that. All right, so here you also have choices, dates, schedule, and services. So again, one of the biggest updates is that you can now create multi-step forms, making longer forms much easier for visitors to complete. And it can also use conditional rules, which allow certain questions to appear only when visitors choose a specific answers. So this creates a cleaner and more personalized experience. So after that, you just have to save your form. Okay, that's right. So again, if you would like to change the form settings, you just have to go here, and then you can rename your form. You can customize the success message, redirect users to another page after submitting, something like that. Okay, so we also have here buttons. That's what I am talking about. Okay, and then you can also enable spam protection with the reCAPTCHA and adjust the spam filtering. You can also set the submission limits if needed. And these settings helps improve both security and the overall user experience. So if you want to preview your form, this is how it looks like. So you just have to tap on the preview option. That's right. So when someone tap on this one, they're going to select their country so that they can input their numbers. Now, one of the best features of the Wix Forms is the automation. So after someone submit a form, you can automatically send a thank you message or a thank you email, notify yourself and your team, add the person to your contact list, and trigger the follow-up workflows using the Wix automation. So this saves time because you don't have to, manually respond to every submission. Okay, so after that, you can now open your Wix dashboard and go to forms and submissions, and you can view all of the submitted forms, filter submissions, and identify the spam submissions. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.